How to use Gluco SPOT Glucometer. This is the entire set of Gluco SPOT Glucometer. It contains user manual, Gluco SPOT meter, strips, battery, lancet, lancing device. Sugar test are done in 6 stages. Preparing glucometer, preparing lancing device, cleaning sample test site, insert test strip, blood sampling and measurement, disposal of used test strip and lancet. 1. Preparing glucometer. Insert battery and glucometer. Set date and time accordingly. If you don't want to set date and time, press both ends for some seconds and leave. 2. Preparing lancing device. Rotate and remove internal cap of lancing device. Pick lancet from circular tip and insert it into the mounting part and push. Carefully twist the protective circular cover of lancet tip to make it ready to use. Do not throw the protective cover away. Reattach internal cap. You'll be able to set the depth of blood sampling from level 1 to level 5, 3 is preferred. Load the device and the lancing device is ready to puncture the test site of blood. 3. Cleaning sample test site. Rub palms against each other to warm up and make blood flow faster and easier till your fingertips. Wash hands thoroughly or disinfect your finger. Hands should be entirely dry. 4. Insert test strip. Insert test strip into meter test strip port gently. The glucometer display will show the blood drop sign. 5. Blood sampling and measurement. Once you are ready, press the button of lancing device to puncture your finger. Wait for small drop of blood on finger. Now you can take blood sample in test strip. The results are obtained in seconds, which are displayed on device screen. 6. Disposal of used test strip and lancet. Clean the blood sample from fingertip. To eject the strip from glucometer, press the top button. Strip will be ejected easily. Rotate and remove the cap of lancing device. Discard the lancet with cap and test strip. Cock the lancing device again after removal of lancet.